Hello everybody and welcome TikTok lovers and YouTubers to my X-Files. Today I am doing a spin and drain on what was a last wash on the push and wash. Just gonna do this one. Ooh, slightly unbalanced. But as I said, the washing machine's shaking because the floor is uneven again. There's nothing you can really do to this flipping floor. No, the washing machine's beginning to shake. Look at this. Oh, that is getting very unbalanced now. Washing machine's shattering away. God, I'm trying to sort that problem out with the... Oh yeah, that sounds like a train now. Sorry about that, it's because I was doing tests in water. Washing machine's quiet again. Oh, we got some water activity now. As I said, it's similar to the, as I said before, it's similar to the Beko and Hotpoint WM52 washers because it does a similar water sudslock where it back builds and now all that has basically shot up from the bottom and rose to the top. Oh my god, this is definitely a lot better than the last one I did. It was more or less quiet. And look at this. Wow! What was that? Was that... I thought that suds was starting to go up the washer from that part. Yep, it is, but not in much. Like that one time. But there is a lot of water coming from going up the washer now. Let me have a look at that. Of course, suds have blocked off that part. Oh, look at all that water going in the washer right now. And it's shaking again. The washing machine's shaking and it sounds like a train again. Sounds like a train again. Oh, that is a really crazy Waterlock. Jeez, this is vibrating under my feet again. But I do believe that the ground is really unbalanced right underneath the washing machine. I don't know, I keep trying to look for where's the weakness, but to be fair, the weakness is right underneath the machine. But I do have to say that was unbalanced though, so there was also that factor in there as well. So thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you next time. Suck it!